Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 2 multiplied by 2 picture in Microsoft Word. Need a 2 picture for ID or official document. I'll show you how to crop and resize an image in Microsoft Word. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to insert the picture, and to do that, just open Microsoft Word and then click on create a new blank document. Now here, go to insert, the insert option, and then click on picture and select which where do you want to insert the picture from. For example, you can use this device, stock images, or online pictures. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this device, and I'm going to select this picture right here. Now after inserting the picture, we're gonna resize it to a 2 inches. And to do that, just click on the image and then go to the picture format section right here, as you can see, and then look for size. Let's look for the size. This is the size, basically this is the size section. Now here we're gonna set the width to 2 inches and the height to 2 inches. Here it's in centimeters. Let's see if we can let's click on 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. You can choose the unit from the options. Let's click on 2. As you can see, it can't be resized to a 2 dimension. Now after if proportion change, uncheck lock aspect ratio under layout options. So let's look for layout options. Where can we see them? Let's click on crop right here, and let's click on crop, and then we're gonna select the 2 and 2. So the 2 is basically a square, so we're just gonna try to reach this dimension. Now this is not totally a square inches. Now the third step is to adjust image and borders, and to do that, use crop tools under picture format to focus on the face and add a border, which is by selecting picture format and then go to border. You can select a border, for example, or you can create a picture border. You can choose the color of the border, etc., and add it. The final step is to print and save. Just duplicate the image for multiple copies and save as a Word document or PDF for printing. You can use grid lines in Word to align multiple 2 pictures and ensure higher resolution for clear prints. And that's how you create a 2 picture in Word, resize, crop, and print it easily. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.